Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your small business Netspend account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process for it. Now before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Now firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there search for business.netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will directly taken to its login page. Now there you have to type in your username and your password of your account. Now if you want your system to remember your username, you can check this square box so that you don't have to type in your username manually in your future logins. But if you're using public or shared device, then uncheck this square box or leave this box as it is. And now, if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on Forget Your Username or Password link. And once you're done with typing in your account details, tap on Login button. And once you tap on Login button, you will get logged into your Netspend business account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.